Welcome to Spices and Aromas. Today I am preparing a very special beef fry. This is not just a recipe, a family favorite recipe that has truly won everyone's heart. It's quick, easy and made with just few ingredients from our kitchen. Let's check how to prepare this. First, let's do the marination. For preparing this dish, I have taken 1.5 kgs of boneless beef chunks. I will slice it later. First, I will do the marination. For this, I have just rubbed 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of salt. I told you earlier, this is my family favorite recipe. This recipe is by Auntie Agnes. It's her signature recipe. She cooks wonderful food for all of us. Please do like, follow and subscribe to my channel for all the updates on my upcoming recipes. Now I'm just adding turmeric powder. I've taken about 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and I'm rubbing it nicely all over. And finally I'll add 4 tablespoons of vinegar. You can also use lemon. In case you're using lemon, use juice of 2 lemons. That's it for the marination. Let this sit aside for 20 minutes before the preparation, or you can even have time, you can marinate it overnight. Now pressure cook the meat for 4 to 5 whistles and then you can simmer it for 20 minutes until it's perfectly cooked and tender. Just add quarter to half cup of water. Since beef releases lot of water, there is no need of adding lot of water. The meat is ready. Let's keep it aside for cooking. Meanwhile, let's prepare the masala. For the masala, I have taken 15 red chilies. If you want it more spicy, you can add more chilies. 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 inch cinnamon and 4 to 5 cloves. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar and grind it to a smooth paste. Now let's slice the meat into fine slices. This is why we cook the meat first and then slice it. Once the meat is cooked, it's easy to slice it. When I'm short of time, sometimes I also use my Rovina's fish fry masala for preparing this recipe. It's quick and delicious too. You can also use any meat mirsang masala you have ready in your refrigerator. Here the meat slices are ready. Now I am going to put it back to the stock, to the same cooker that I have cooked the meat before, and then add the ground masala. Give it a good mix and let it cook until it gets dry. Cooking the masala, the stock and the meat chunks helps in absorbing the masala and gives a awesome taste to this dish. So here you can see the masala is well coated. You cannot see any gravy left. So see that the meat is complete dry. So just look here. The meat has absorbed all the masala and the stock. Now the final process is frying the meat. Heat oil in a pan. I am using my cast iron pan. Add the meat pieces and fry them on both sides until they are nicely crisp and aromatic. And that's it. The beef fry is ready to serve. Simple ingredients, bold flavors and a recipe filled with family love. I'm really happy to share this recipe with you and be more happy to see your feedback of this recipe. You can store the cooked meat pieces in the refrigerator and fry it whenever you need them. This is my family's party favorite dish. Make it your family's too. Please do like, follow and subscribe for my channel for all the updates on my upcoming recipes. Find the link for all my meat recipes in the description box. Also, I will share the recipe and the details about this dish in the description box. Thank you friends for joining me in kitchen today. See you soon in my next video. Until we meet next time, I wish you happy cooking. Bye bye.